5 Prefab Modular Barndominiums. Real companies, real prices. And number 5, a fully finished move-in ready barndominium for $70,000. Not a shed, not a kit you assemble yourself, a real home. And by the time we get there, you'll understand exactly why that number is possible. Prefab modular barndominiums have quietly become the smartest way to build in 2026. Factory built means no weather delays, no contractor markup, no 18-month nightmare. These 5 options prove that the gap between dreaming and owning is smaller than most people think. Number 1, the weekend warrior. Picture this. Friday afternoon, you lock your apartment door, drive 3 hours to your rural lot, pull up to your own property, and walk through your own front door. That's what 800 square feet does for your soul. General Steel buildings, $95,000 delivered and installed. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, open kitchen and living space, mini split, spray foam, and LVP flooring. The shell ships in panels, and a local crew puts it up in 4 to 6 days. People are placing these on lakefronts, hunting properties, and rural lots across the South and Midwest, not as a compromise, as a choice. The choice to stop waiting and start living somewhere that actually feels like yours. The most common thing owners say afterward, they wish they'd done it sooner. Nobody ever says they wish they'd waited. Number 2, the family starter. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, attached garage, vaulted ceilings, and a shiplap accent wall in the living room that makes first-time visitors assume you spent $300,000. Worldwide steel buildings, $128,000 delivered and installed. 1,200 square feet of real family home. Black window frames, open concept kitchen flowing into living space. The kind of layout you'd pay an architect $15,000 to design, already done. Here's what changes everything about this option. Total timeline from signing to move-in is 7 to 7 months. Traditional stick-built takes 14 to 18 months for the same square footage. That difference isn't just time, it's 7 to 11 months of rent you never pay again. At $1,500 a month, that's $10,500 to $16,500 back in your pocket before you unpack a single box. Number 3, the one you show your parents. Some people need to see a certain name before they believe something is real. Morton Buildings is that name in the barndominium world. Morton Buildings, $185,000 delivered and installed. 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, covered front porch, floor-to-ceiling windows facing the back property, quartz kitchen island, primary suite with walk-in tile shower. Morton has been building metal structures since 1903. Their engineering survives Tornado Alley, their warranty outlasts most mortgages, and their prefab modular line brings that reputation down to a price point real families can reach. This is the build where skeptical parents go quiet, look around, and ask, so how do we get one of these? Number 4, the life upgrade. Imagine selling your $600,000 suburban house, buying 10 acres of land for $80,000, and building this. You'd still have money left over and a life that looks nothing like the one you left behind. DC Builders, $245,000 delivered and installed. 2,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3-car garage, wraparound porch, detached guest suite connected by a covered breezeway. That guest suite connected by breezeway turns this from a home into a compound. Parents visit and stay in their own space. Adult kids come home for holidays without anyone losing their mind. Guests feel like they're at a private resort. DC Builders operates in the premium tier for a reason. Every component engineered to spec, every finish intentional. Nothing about this feels prefab once you're standing inside it. This isn't the cheapest option on the list, but compared to what most people are currently paying to feel this comfortable, it's the steal of the century. Now, number 5, the one that made you click,
the one that honestly made me double-check the number before writing this script.
Number 5. The one that changes everything. Affinity Building Systems. $70,000, delivered and installed. 720 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, full kitchen, mini split HVAC, LVP flooring throughout, metal roof, real insulation, real windows, real walls. $70,000. Here's why that number's real. Affinity builds HUD-code modular barndominiums inside a climate-controlled factory. Every wall panel is precision-cut, pre-insulated, and pre-wired before it leaves the building. No rain delays, no material waste sitting on a muddy job site, no subcontractors showing up 3 weeks late. The factory eliminates 35 to 45% of traditional build costs before the first panel ever ships. Is 720 square feet small? Yes. Is it a real home? Without question. But here's the story that stays with me. A couple in East Texas bought 2 of these units, placed them side by side on their lot, built a shared breezeway between them. 1,440 square feet of finished living space, a dog trot compound that looks like it belongs in an architecture magazine. Total cost, including both units and the breezeway connection, $158,000. 2 modular units, 1 decision, 1 life completely changed. $70,000 doesn't buy you a compromise. It buys you the moment you stop paying someone else's mortgage and start building something that belongs to you. 5 barndominiums, 5 completely different lives, all prefab, all modular, all real. The one thing every option on this list has in common, none of them require you to wait 2 years, hire a dozen contractors, or spend every weekend managing a construction site. They're built for people who are done waiting and ready to own. So, which one is yours? Drop the number in the comments. And if this helped you see what's actually possible in 2026, subscribe, because this is exactly the kind of content I make every single week.